Will Lisa Freeman please come forward? Dr. Lisa Freeman, you represent the finest of Tufts, a triple jumbo with a BS in biology, a veterinary degree, and a PhD in nutrition. You currently hold faculty appointments at the Cummings School of Veterinary Medicine, the Freeman School of Nutrition, the Tisch College of Citizenship and Public Service, and the Tufts Clinical and Translational Science Institute, where you are engaging in cross-disciplinary research on major issues. An expert on cardiomyopathy and cachexia, severe weight loss, you have advanced our understanding of the role that nutrition plays in these diseases in companion animals and, by extension, people. Your co-nominator, Dean Kochevar of the Cummings School, who's with us this evening, refers to your legendary ability to frame a problem or project, assemble a strong team, set realistic milestones, and execute on time and with the highest quality outcomes. These qualities have brought you great success and recognition. You have served as president of the American College of Veterinary Nutrition and as co-chair of the Global Nutrition Committee of the World Small Animal Association, where you developed standards which over 20 countries now use to assess proper nutrition in small animals. You are president-elect of the Pet Nutritional Alliance and a member of the Human Animal Scientific Advisory Board for Pet Partners, the nation's largest nonprofit organization of registered therapeutic animals and their handlers. Your honors include an American College of Veterinary Emergency and Critical Care Scientific Achievement Award, a Pfizer Award for Research Excellence, being named a Distinguished Practitioner and Fellow of the Veterinary Medicine Academy of the National Academy of Practice, and a Tufts Distinction Award. At the Cummings School, you serve as director of both the Residents Enhanced Veterinary Education and Academic Learning, and the Accelerated Clinical Excellence programs. You helped found the Tufts Institute for Human-Animal Interaction, bringing together faculty, researchers, and students from all Tufts campuses for interdisciplinary study of the bonds between humans and animals and their effect on the health and happiness of both. With your therapy dog Penny, you are an integral part of Tufts Paws for People, a volunteer program run by the Institute to provide therapy animals for those in need. Dean Kochevar describes you as generous in imparting your skills to others and assuring that the next generation of clinician scientists has the necessary tools to succeed. In the words of your colleague and co-nominator, Professor Nick Frank, you are an excellent example of a clinician scientist who serves as a role model for residents, graduate students, and junior faculty. The Tufts University Alumni Association is proud to bestow a 2016 Distinguished Achievement Award upon you.
Thank you so much. It truly is an honor to receive this award tonight. Thank you very much to the Alumni Association and to President Monaco. I'm so humbled to be in the presence of these other awardees. They're really amazing stories when I read those. And when I first heard about this award, I was thinking back to when I was applying to Tufts in 1981. It's a few years ago, and I was amazed to see, many of you don't know that, but Tony Banbury is my classmate, not only my classmate, but lived next to me in Tilton Hall freshman year, and an amazing group of classmates who also came tonight. So go 86. So when I was applying in 1981, I would love to say that I did a lot of research and I figured out that Tufts was going to be the perfect match for me. But I didn't. I was kind of clueless at that point. I decided that I liked Massachusetts and I wanted to go to a place that had a veterinary school, and that was Tufts. Little did I know the veterinary school had just started. It was hanging on by duct tape and a prayer at that point. And so as I was applying, I really didn't know very much about it, but it turned out it actually was the perfect match for me. I've now been here over 30 years at Tufts, and so I was trying to think about what are the things that have kept me here all those many years. And it really comes down to four main things. The first one is that the strength of nutrition at Tufts is unequaled. That's on all of the campuses. It is such a strong area of focus at this university. When I first started, Jean Mayer was the president. He was a world-famous nutritionist, and his mission when he started in his inaugural speech was to start not only a veterinary school, but a school of nutrition. And I learned tonight he was also a dog lover. I never knew that before. So, I really got interested in nutrition from being an undergraduate. I took courses with faculty who got me excited about nutrition. That continued at the veterinary school with Dean Lowe, who took me under his wing and got me further along in nutrition. And so faculty at all of the schools have gotten me interested and nurtured me in the area of nutrition. And the strength today that has grown really has made this such an exciting place for me to be as a nutritionist. The second thing is the culture of active citizenship across the university. I'm not sure where Alan is now, but certainly that's led by Tisch College, but that is such a strong component of all of the campuses. And that's been so important for me in terms of the things that I've been able to do to be active in my community, to participate in animal-assisted therapy with my own dogs, and also to be involved in organized veterinary medicine. So that's been a really important thing for me as well. The third thing that's been critical for me for Tufts being such an important part of my life is that it always has been a place that has encouraged me to be creative and not to be afraid to try different things. And that's everything from running the marathon. Sorry, Debbie, that I talked you into that. To academic endeavors such as educational programs that are a little bit outside the norm, or growing the clinical nutrition service at the veterinary school, and even starting cross-university initiatives like the Tufts Institute for Human-Animal Interaction. And finally, the last thing is the people at Tufts. There's such an amazing group of people at this university. So I've had incredible mentors over the years and such amazing friends and colleagues. Thank you especially to Debbie Kochevar, who has been so supportive of me since she's been here, for her nomination along with Nick Frank, and for all of the friends and colleagues that are here tonight. I wouldn't be here without you. You've just been such an amazing part of this process. So I'd like to thank all of those people. I'd also like to thank my family members, and that includes my four-legged family members, which were not allowed to come tonight. Also to my parents who were not able to come tonight, and most importantly to John Rush, who was able to come tonight. John is my partner in work and in life, and I certainly wouldn't be here without him today. So thank you all so much.